guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're coming up with a on-the-fly Valentine's Day slash kind of spring. I think like pink colors and I think spring. I don't know why, but like blushy colors like this and pinks, I automatically think of spring, but spring is technically like 2 months away. So we're gonna call this Valentine's Day look because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I don't think I've ever done a Valentine's Day look here on my channel. I could be wrong, but that's what we're gonna do today. I have done my foundation and my bronzer and my eyebrows, and that is it. And the reason why I filmed that before this video is I actually used a new product that I am super pumped about. This little baby right here, the Panasonic Foundation Face Brush. That video is going up after this, so if you want to see my thoughts on it, stay tuned. So in this video, we're basically gonna do eyes, lips, and cheeks, just the color aspect of things. But the star of the show is going to be this little palette right here. I did get this complimentary from Clarins and Octoly to review for you guys. I have never tried any Clarins makeup products before. I actually just recently tried my very first Clarins product and it was a serum, which is amazing, by the way. So I'm kind of like digging into this new brand and like testing the products out with you guys. This is their palette, their 4-pan color eyeshadow palette. Smoothing and long lasting. You can use it wet or dry, and this is in the number 7. It's called Lovely Rose. And when I received this, I immediately thought of Valentine's Day and spring because of the color palette. It's very luxurious. It comes in this little pouch, which I never know what to do with these. I've told you guys that before. And then this little card here to give you some ideas on how to create an eye look, but we're gonna do this on the fly. Overall, I'm very impressed with the packaging. I just feel like it's super like luxe and heavy and high-end feeling. It comes with a little spongy thingy, which I don't know who uses this. Ooh, but it's really soft. That is like the softest little spongy thing I've ever felt. And then here are the colors right here. So you can see there's basically like a champagne-y light pink color, a kind of dusty, almost the same color as my shirt, a little bit darker pink color right there, a kind of purpley pink color, and then like a dark purple. So definitely reminds me of spring. It looks like most of them have shimmer in it. The pink one might be matte. The others have just a tiny bit of shimmer, but it's not like glitter. It's just like a little bit of a sheen maybe. Satin and matte eyeshadows. Okay, so it doesn't tell me which ones are satin and which ones are matte, but that actually makes a lot of sense just looking at it. I'm gonna swatch these. Not as soft as I was hoping, not as buttery as I'm used to, like a Natasha Denona, for example, but still soft. They're not as pigmented as I was hoping either. The purple one, the dark purple one is. So there's the swatches, and then here's that. This one swatched on a weird part of my hand. Here is finger swatches. Here's what those swatches look like up close. Sorry, I hit like a dip right here in my hand, so it looks weird, but here's the light pink one. It's kind of hard to see. Here's the more dusty, darker pink. Here's the pinky purple, and then here's the dark purple. So not the best swatches I've ever seen, but not the worst either. Okay, I'm gonna start out by putting this matte, like mid-toned pink in the crease of my eye with a big fluffy brush here. Ooh, they apply really nice. See, that's the thing with eyeshadows is I feel like Instagram and YouTube have created this world of like swatching things, which is a really good way to show a product's color, but not necessarily how it's going to wear. I feel like the true test is really applying a product to your eye. Like that's, I mean, you don't wear eyeshadow swatches on your hand all day long. You wear eyeshadow on your eye. So I think applying it is really the true test, and that applied really well. Really nice and even, really easy to apply. Let's put it on this eye. Wow, I'm actually really, really impressed with how well that applied, like comparing to the finger swatch, you know what I mean? So next I'm gonna go into that lighter pink color and a flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. This is a really pretty color. I know it's really hard to see, especially with the lights and with my skin tone, but this is a really pretty color. It's very subtle, it has a little bit of a satiny sheen to it. Figured I should zoom you guys in a little bit. Next I'm gonna go into this like purpley pink and a more kind of dense blending brush. This is the Morphe M433. And I'm gonna put this on the crease, but kind of focusing more like on the actual crease, whereas that pink color, I really went kind of ham with it and fluffed it all over. This I'm gonna stick right in the crease. All right, next I'm gonna go into the darkest color in the palette, the purple, and I'm gonna put this right on my outer V. I will say the color I am least impressed with is that purpley pink. I felt like I really had to build that up in order to see the color. I don't know if that's because I was building it on top of that other pink color and the purple was just kind of getting lost and I was kind of, you know, just not seeing it, or if that color just truly is, you know, just a little bit underwhelming. But that was my least favorite. This dark purple is not as dark applying it to your eyes as it was in the swatch, which I'm not mad at. I'm actually kind of happy about that. I feel like it makes it a little bit more wearable. Especially if you are going to use this as like a spring look. You don't necessarily want to wear like deep dark colors in the spring. So I do really like this. It is all blending super well. It's not patchy. There's zero fallout. I like it. For my bottom lid or my lower lash line, I'm going to go back to that purpley pink because I really want to like test it out. I'm going to use this mirror instead. And kind of buff it in. Yeah, see, this color just really isn't that pigmented. Which is not horrible, it just means you have to build it up. And then lastly, I'm gonna go back to the dark purple and just put that right on the outer 1/3. You can most definitely stop here and get a really pretty complete pinky, springy Valentine's Day eye look, but I'm gonna go in with a Natasha Denona kind of like metallic-y color and apply that to the center of my eye just to add a little pop of glitter, because why not, right? Just to add some shimmer. There we go. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Earthquake just to line my lower waterline. For mascara, I'm using my trusty Benefit Roller Lash. And then for lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell Demi Wispies. Just the regular wispies. I ran out of my Studio Effects wispies. Now I need to buy more. Luckily, I have like $72 in Ulta points, so I can buy some more. Okay, so done with the eyes and they are beautiful. I love it so much. It's just the perfect shade of pink. I don't feel like I look sick or anything crazy like that. Pink sometimes does that to me. So anyways, I do want to contour just a little bit. The bronzer I'm wearing is a cream bronzer, so I just want to put a little bit of powder on top of some of the areas to contour just a bit. So going in with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette, I think is what this is called. I'm going to use the color Carrot, which is kind of cool toned. I just dipped it in ever so slightly, and I'm going to put just a little bit right there. Dip it in once more. And there. For blush, I'm using the Too Faced Love Flush blush because I thought it was appropriate for Valentine's Day. How cute are these, right? And this one is in the color Justify My Love. It's kind of like a cool toned, bright pink. I thought it would play off the eyes really well. Perfect. For highlight, I'm using a new product by e.l.f. This is their collab with That's Heart. I love Heart, you guys. I actually met Heart in person and she's so sweet. She's so tiny. She's like this little teeny tiny thing, I remember, but she's so stinking sweet and so nice. And she collabed with e.l.f. and this is like so luxurious looking for an e.l.f. product. I mean, it's rose gold, it's just high quality, it's heavy, and it was only like $3, which is amazing. So this is her cream and coffee highlighter. I want to say this side is cream, this side is coffee. That's just what makes sense to me. I'm gonna use the cream side, the light side. There's even a mirror in here. Ooh, that is icy, holy moly. Okay, I was not expecting it to be so pigmented. Oh my gosh, okay. That actually might be a little bit too much. I'm gonna go in with coffee on top of it. Maybe that'll, wow, holy moly. Okay, well I have to make the other side match now, so, wow. This is a lot more, it's good, but it's like, I was not expecting this kind of pigment from an e.l.f. product. It almost has like a opalescent, kind of like pearlescent, purpley undertone to it, which I also wasn't expecting, but it's really pretty. Good job, Heart. For lips, I was gonna go red, but I feel like, I wanted to go red because it's like, you know, Valentine's-y, but I just feel like that might clash with this look. So I'm gonna go in with a pinky nude, surprise, surprise, right? This is the MAC and Patrick Starr collab. This is in the color She Better Work, and it's just this really pretty kind of nude color. That went on very smooth. Is it a matte finish? It's a matte finish. Wow, that went on very smooth for a matte finish. And then I'm just gonna kind of touch up the lines of my lips with a lip liner. This is kind of a trick I do where I will apply my lipstick first and then my lip liner on top of the lipstick just to kind of like define everything, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put this on top. I love this combo, you guys. I don't know if I told you, but this is also MAC and Patrick Starr in the color Edge to Edge, and that is a beautiful color. This looks really, really nice. I think I want to add a little bit of shimmer to my lips just because this is a matte finish. So I have another new product to try out, so hey, why not? This is by the brand 1/1, and it is a lip gloss, or is it a balm? It's an oil, it's a lip oil, and there's shimmer in it. So here's what it looks like. I also got this from Octoly, so why not try it out with you guys, right? There really isn't any shimmer in it. It's just kind of like a gloss. It smells interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. It's supposed to be nude. Oh wait, there's the shimmer. Okay. It's almost like at first squeeze it was just clear. Oh, there's a little bit of shimmer there, but it's not gonna be like glitter, which actually is probably a good thing. So let's put a little bit of this on. Ooh. I like that lip oil. It has a strange taste to it, but it leaves my lips really soft. It reminds me a lot of the Kopari Lip Loves, and I don't know if this is like organic. Yeah, certified organic ingredients. So that's really, really cool. There's coconut in it. It says, a generous dose of coconut oil in your morning smoothie keeps lips hydrated from within. Regularly add lip oil for maximum nourishment and glossy shine. Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. What? It's telling you to add coconut oil to your smoothie, but that has nothing to do with the... Whatever. A soothing liquid balm that revives dehydrated lips with luminous shine. Yeah, I like that. Alright guys, well that is my Valentine's Day / spring makeup tutorial. I really, really like the way that this look came out. I'm looking at myself in my mirror down here in the viewfinder. Everything just looks so smooth and so blended. It matches my shirt. It looks very pretty and romantic. And I'm really liking it. I'm impressed with those eyeshadows, like, a lot. I think that they applied very, very well. Like, the swatches do not live up to the actual application. I stinking love it. And that highlighter, oh my gosh. so pretty. I think everything just came together so well. So you can definitely recreate this look with products that you have that are similar colors at home, or you can get these exact products if you'd like. It's up to you, but I definitely wanted to let you know about these products. I will link everything down below just as I always do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy these like chatty tutorials because I love filming them for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.